Hi, I want to show you the gun that I bought yesterday. Well, it's a glue gun, but do you know what part of English we use as a glue gun? The answer is prepositions, because actually prepositions we use them to glue words together. How? Let's imagine that I told you, let's meet in the house. So where is the location that we're going to meet? It's the house. So I connected the meeting, I linked or glued the meeting to the place house using the preposition in. But there is a problem. If I tell you in the house, it's totally different from on the house. If I tell you in the house, it means that we're going to walk into the door and meet each other in the hall of the house. But if I said on the house, it means I have to get a ladder and climb up the house to meet you on the roof. Okay, so it's confusing. Today we're going to learn about prepositions, when to use them, and how to use them. Let's go. Hello, this is Ammar Adel and a new video from the General English course for beginners. Today we're talking about prepositions. So, prepositions, as we said, they are short words like in, on, with, at, for, up. Okay, and we use them to glue two words together or to link words to a noun or a pronoun. We have many prepositions, and there is no magical rule that will help you to remember or to memorize the places of each one of them. But actually you need to read a lot and you need to practice a lot in order to remember the correct combination for each preposition. We will focus today on some prepositions. Actually they are in, on, at. Okay, we use these three prepositions with time and with place. So let's start with time. I want you to imagine that n is a big circle and we use n with big periods of time. So we use n with centuries. We say in the 19th century. Okay, and we use it with years. We say in 1998. And we use it with months. We say in January. And we use it also with periods of the day. We say in the morning or in the evening. But on, we use it with days. So we say on Monday or on Wednesday. And also we use it with parts of the day if we mention the day. So we say on Monday morning. We use it with days of the months. I say on the 6th of May. But we use at with the specific hours. So we say at 7 o'clock or at 8 o'clock. This is regarding time. Now let's move to locations. We use in with also bigger places. For example, we use in a country, so in Egypt or in the US. And we use it with cities. We say in Cairo or in New York. And we use it with neighborhoods. But we use on with streets and avenues. So we say, for example, on Lombard Street. On Lombard Street. And we say on the First Avenue. Or we can say on the corner. But we use at with very specific locations. We say, for example, at the first block. This is not everything. What about something like transportation? Do we say in the car or on the car? Do we say in the bus or on the bus? Okay, if we are talking about the place, the specific place like the bus stop, we will say at the bus stop. But if we talk about transportation that you are getting into or inside them, for example, the car or the taxi, okay, we say in. So we say in a car or in the car and in a taxi. But if we are talking about transportation that you are getting on board on them, we say on. So we say on the train or on the bus or on a plane. Okay, That's not everything, but we shall continue about prepositions in the next videos. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video to see more. Bye bye.